Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I am going to be sharing with you a DIY fall wreath. I know it's early, but I am willing fall into existence. We are in the south and I am dying for some cooler temperatures, so hopefully this gives Mother Nature a hint and we can all get into fall. But without further ado, let me show you how I made this DIY fall wreath. So starting out, I took the floral stems that I got from Michael's and I started just tearing them apart with some wire cutters. The trick here is to leave the stems as long as you possibly can, just so you have more leeway to kind of adjust them, as well as reuse them in a different project later. Then I just started tucking them in the grapevine wreath, making sure all of the leaves are going in the same direction. There really is no rhyme or reason to this. You kind of just do it by eye and maneuver it till you like how it looks. I also used my hot glue gun to maneuver and glue down leaves that were a little bit stubborn and wouldn't lay right. Next, I added these orange flowers and I just laid them out on top to see how I wanted them to lay, and then I did a similar process, just tucking them in the same direction. Then I took these cranberry looking berries and I tucked them in on the sides, kind of behind everything, but poking out a little bit so you could still see them. I tried to use these white flowers, but I didn't actually really like how they looked on this wreath. I kind of played around to see how I wanted to use them, but I ended up deciding not to. Then I used these small pumpkins that I got from the dollar spot in Target just to add interest, as well as some pine cones I had laying around. To attach those, I just used my hot glue gun. pine cones or pumpkins that are having a little bit of trouble gluing down, you can use florist wire to attach them to the wreath that way. Next, I wanted to put a center sign in here, and I couldn't decide between this welcome sign or this thankful sign. I ended up choosing the thankful sign in the end. And I attached the thankful sign using the florist wire again, and I just attached it to the base. And this is what it looks like all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you out and inspires you to create wreaths of your own. Really, it is super easy to do. The sky's the limit in possibilities. This is just what I came up with. It's a really quick and easy project to work on. Plus, it makes your front door look amazing. So, but anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, bye guys!